In a significant recognition of academic excellence, Dr. Sarah Morgan, a distinguished faculty member at the University of Southern Mississippi USM, has been awarded the Contribution to Science Award by the Mississippi Academy of Sciences MAS. This prestigious honor was presented during the organization's 89th annual meeting held in March at the Mississippi Gulf Coast Coliseum and Convention Center in Biloxi. Dr. Morgan's exemplary contributions as both an educator and a researcher in the field of polymer science have set a benchmark for academic achievement in the state. Dr. Morgan, who serves as the Associate Director of the School of Polymer Science and Engineering, has been a part of the USM faculty since 2003. Her impressive background includes a 14-year tenure in the private sector with GE Plastics, where she honed her expertise in engineering thermoplastics on a global scale. At USM, her research focuses on innovative fields such as bioinspired water-soluble polymers, morphology control, and high-performance polymers. MAS is an extremely important organization for Mississippi researchers, allowing us to share science, establish research collaborations, and train students, Dr. Morgan expressed, highlighting the significance of collaborative efforts in advancing scientific knowledge. The impact of her work extends beyond the academic realm. It has garnered support from prominent organizations including the National Science Foundation and the National Institutes of Health. Dr. Morgan is currently involved in groundbreaking research aimed at developing new polymeric coatings for sutures that enhance post-surgical healing, a project funded by the National Institutes of Health's REACH program. This initiative not only underscores her innovative approach to research but also underscores her commitment to involving students in meaningful scientific endeavors. Through collaborations built from MAS interactions, we have recently received joint funding with researchers at the University of Mississippi Medical Center, she noted, indicating the fruitful partnerships that have emerged from her active engagement with the MAS community. Dr. Morgan's influence as an educator is equally noteworthy. Dr. Derek Patton, director of the School of Polymer Science and Engineering, remarked on her embodiment of the mission and values of MAS, stating, "This award is a fitting recognition of her impactful research, dedication to student development, and sustained leadership in the scientific community." Dr. Chris Winstead, dean of the College of Arts and Sciences, echoed this sentiment, lauding her as both an outstanding researcher and an exceptional mentor to students. Her contributions include the development of current and future generations of scientists, and her impact continues to grow through their contributions as well, he remarked. As the landscape of scientific research evolves, Dr. Morgan stands at the forefront, championing not only advanced materials science but also the next generation of scientists. Her ongoing research initiatives, which encompass multidisciplinary collaborations with various institutions, provide invaluable opportunities for students, fostering their growth in fields such as materials and biomedical research. In a time when the intersection of education and innovation is more critical than ever, Dr. Morgan's work exemplifies the transformative power of dedicated research and mentorship. As she continues to push the boundaries of polymer science, the academic community can expect her contributions to resonate well beyond Mississippi, influencing scientific discourse and practice on a national scale. Looking ahead, the future of polymer science at USM, bolstered by Dr. Morgan's leadership, promises to be bright, with potential advancements that could significantly impact various sectors including healthcare and materials engineering. In recent months, the fields of genetic medicine and vaccine development have witnessed remarkable advancements, largely driven by the innovative applications of messenger RNA mRNA technology. COVID-19 not only highlighted mRNA's potential in vaccine production but also opened doors for its use in treating a myriad of diseases, including cancer and genetic disorders. As researchers continue to explore the therapeutic possibilities of mRNA, recent developments showcase the technology's transformative potential in personalized medicine and global health initiatives. One of the most significant breakthroughs came with the announcement of the world's first patient-specific mRNA CRISPR therapy, delivered just 6 months after the diagnosis of a lethal metabolic disorder in an infant. This pioneering treatment, targeting a specific mutation in carbamoyl phosphate synthetase 1 (CPS1), exemplifies the rapid advancements in personalized medicine.
The therapy known as CABE utilized a novel guide RNA and a custom mRNA encoding a base editor,
which was developed through a collaboration involving integrated DNA technologies and Aldevron. Mark Wetzel, VP of mRNA CDMO services at Aldevron, remarked on the unprecedented speed of this project, emphasizing this CRISPR therapy was made under exceptional circumstances to do what was needed to improve this patient's outcome. The success of this treatment, which led to improved clinical stability and reduced blood ammonia levels in the patient, demonstrates the potential of combining mRNA technology with CRISPR gene editing. The approach not only has implications for CPS1 deficiency but also suggests a roadmap for future therapies targeting various inborn errors of metabolism and other genetic diseases. Kiran Musunuru from the University of Pennsylvania stated this work suggests a potential roadmap for transforming CRISPR therapies for other inborn errors of metabolism and life-threatening genetic diseases.
In parallel, the collaboration between TriLink Biotechnologies and the International Vaccine Institute IVI marks another milestone in mRNA development.
Their recent Memorandum of Understanding aims to advance the research and development of mRNA-based vaccines, particularly to enhance access in low- and middle-income countries. LMICs. Becky Buzzio, Chief Commercial Officer at TriLink, highlighted the significance of this partnership, stating, "This collaboration will not only advance the science of mRNA-based vaccines but may also significantly enhance access to life-saving vaccines in LMICs." TriLink's innovative CleanCap technology, which has been integral in the production of approved COVID-19 mRNA vaccines, is expected to play a crucial role in this new venture. The partnership signifies a commitment to equitable health solutions, particularly as the demand for efficient vaccine production has grown globally.
As these collaborative efforts continue to evolve,
the intersection of cell-free gene synthesis and artificial intelligence (AI) is further propelling mRNA technology into the forefront of therapeutic development. Advances in cell-free synthesis techniques have dramatically reduced the time and cost of producing customized mRNA sequences, while AI tools enhance the optimization process. The synergy between these technologies is poised to not only accelerate vaccine development but also improve the efficacy and safety of mRNA therapies for a wider range of diseases. The implications of these advancements extend beyond immediate applications. With the rapid development of personalized therapies and a focus on equitable access to vaccines, the landscape of genetic medicine is shifting. As Galit Meshulam Simon from Elogen states, mRNA is emerging as a transformative platform for the next generation of therapeutics, suggesting that the future of medicine may be characterized by tailored treatments that address the unique genetic profiles of patients.
In conclusion,
the ongoing innovations in mRNA technology and CRISPR gene editing represent a pivotal moment in the evolution of personalized medicine. As researchers and industry leaders collaborate to refine these technologies, we can expect a future where the rapid development of effective therapies becomes the norm, ultimately transforming healthcare and improving outcomes for patients worldwide. In a remarkable intersection of personal motivation and scientific inquiry, a high school student from Polk County has crafted an award-winning science project inspired by her aunt's battle with cancer. This project not only showcases her ingenuity but also underscores the profound impact personal experiences can have on scientific endeavors. The project, which garnered accolades at a recent science fair, serves as a poignant reminder of the potential for young minds to contribute to important health discussions and innovations. The student, whose name has not been disclosed, embarked on her project with the goal of understanding cancer more deeply and exploring potential solutions. Her aunt's struggle with cancer became a catalyst for her research, driving her to investigate the disease's complexities and the various treatment options available. "She's proud," the student remarked, reflecting on her aunt's encouraging response to her work. This sentiment encapsulates the emotional weight often tied to scientific pursuits, especially in fields as impactful as cancer research. The project's recognition at the science fair is a testament to the student's hard work and dedication. Judges praised her ability to synthesize information and present it in a manner that was both engaging and informative. This not only highlights the importance of supporting young scientists but also emphasizes the role of personal narratives in shaping research interests. The young innovator's journey exemplifies how personal experiences can fuel scientific curiosity and inspire future breakthroughs. Meanwhile, significant advancements in cancer research continue to emerge from various fronts, further emphasizing the importance of innovative thinking in this critical field. Recently, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration (FDA) approved the Teal Wand, a groundbreaking at-home cervical cancer screening device. This device allows women to collect their own samples for HPV testing, potentially increasing screening rates and making the process more accessible. Barbara Goff, a gynecologic oncologist, expressed enthusiasm over the approval, stating it expands cervical cancer screening to more women, which is good. And it makes screening more comfortable, which is also good. The approval of the Teal Wand comes at a time when cervical cancer incidence is rising in specific demographics, particularly among women in low-income and rural areas. Tricia Ambori, a cancer epidemiologist, highlighted concerning trends in cervical cancer diagnoses among these groups, emphasizing the need for improved access to screening. The Teal Wand represents a potential shift in how women engage with their health, providing a more private and convenient alternative to traditional screening methods. In related research, scientists at the La Jolla Institute for Immunology have uncovered intriguing connections between testosterone levels and T-cell activity, particularly in the context of prostate cancer. Assistant Professor Miguel Reyna Campos is pioneering the use of spatial transcriptomics to study how T cells, which play a crucial role in the immune response against tumors, are influenced by hormonal changes. His work could pave the way for new immunotherapies, further advancing the fight against prostate cancer and enhancing our understanding of immune system dynamics. As these innovations and research initiatives unfold, the landscape of cancer treatment and prevention is poised for change. The confluence of personal stories like that of the Polk County student with cutting-edge scientific advancements illustrates the multifaceted nature of cancer research. The future looks promising as both established researchers and young innovators alike strive to make a difference in the realm of health and medicine. The journey ahead will undoubtedly be shaped by these developments, offering hope to countless individuals affected by cancer. In a significant move to enhance the role of artificial intelligence in scientific research, the University of California has awarded $18 million in grants to develop innovative AI approaches across several fields, including genomics, quantum materials discovery, and geothermal energy. This initiative, named the Artificial Intelligence Science at Scale, is a collaborative effort between the University of California and the Los Alamos and Lawrence Livermore National Laboratories. The grants, each totaling $6 million over 3 years, aim to leverage AI to tackle complex challenges in these strategic areas. According to UC Vice President of Research and Innovation Teresa Maldonado, the rapid growth of artificial intelligence is accelerating both the opportunities for and threats to the United States' long-standing economic leadership. She emphasized that the initiative is designed to maintain America's competitive edge in scientific research by funding targeted projects that foster innovation. The winning projects were selected from a competitive pool of 27 applications representing nearly 250 faculty members across UC campuses. One noteworthy project, led by Jimmy Yee, Associate Professor of Medicine at UC San Francisco, aims to use AI to enhance personalized medicine through a better understanding of protein functions related to diseases such as blood cancers and autoimmune disorders. This project, titled AI-Driven Genomics at Scale, will utilize supercomputing resources from Livermore Lab to accelerate research in this critical area. Another project, Low-Energy AI-Informed Phase Transitions, led by Ram Sheshadri of UC Santa Barbara, seeks to improve the efficiency of AI in the quest for new materials for quantum computing. This initiative will combine theoretical approaches with real-world data to narrow down materials for laboratory testing, potentially leading to the discovery of faster and more energy-efficient chip materials. The third project, directed by Mohammed Komi from UC Irvine, focuses on developing an AI model capable of addressing complex subsurface processes involved in geothermal energy extraction. By integrating large language models with physics-based simulations and real-world data, this project aims to enhance the safety and efficiency of geothermal energy solutions. As part of a broader commitment to advancing critical scientific and national security areas, the University of California has directed lab management fee income towards various research endeavors since 2017. Over $92 million has already been invested in fields such as cybersecurity, wildfire prevention, and quantum computing, underscoring UC's strategic focus on impactful research partnerships. In a parallel development, Google DeepMind has unveiled a groundbreaking AI system called AlphaEvolve, designed to tackle complex problems in mathematics and computer science. This innovative chatbot utilizes large language models to generate and refine solutions, demonstrating substantial improvements in chip design and resource optimization. Pushmeet Kohli, head of science at DeepMind, noted that AlphaEvolve has already made significant contributions to the design of AI-specific computing chips, suggesting that this technology could revolutionize various scientific fields. Moreover, researchers have recently developed a method to use AI chatbots such as ChatGPT for secure communication by embedding encrypted messages within seemingly innocuous text. This technique could serve as a digital alternative to invisible ink, enabling individuals to circumvent oppressive surveillance systems. The framework, named Embedded LLM, has the potential to provide a new layer of security for journalists and activists operating in repressive environments. Further emphasizing the importance of AI education, a study revealed that even a single computer science course in high school could boost the future earnings of Gen Z students by an average of 8%. This benefit is particularly pronounced among low-income Black and female students, who could see a salary increase of up to 14%. As AI literacy becomes increasingly essential across numerous industries, experts advocate for broader access to computer science education to ensure that young individuals are not left behind in the evolving job market. The developments in AI-driven research and education underscore a pivotal moment for technology, promising to revolutionize scientific inquiry and secure communication, while also highlighting the urgent need for equitable access to tech education. As these initiatives unfold, they will likely shape the landscape of scientific research and workforce development in the years to come. The dream of harnessing the power of nuclear fusion, a clean and virtually limitless energy source, has long been a tantalizing goal for scientists and researchers around the globe. Recent advancements suggest that this dream may be closer to reality than previously imagined. With significant breakthroughs achieved by institutions like ITER and the National Ignition Facility (NIF), the scientific community is now grappling with not just the feasibility of nuclear fusion but the timeline for its industrial application. For the first time in history, a fusion experiment at the NIF generated more energy than it consumed in December 2022. This unprecedented achievement has since been replicated, marking a critical juncture in the race for sustainable energy. The process mimics the natural phenomena occurring within the Sun, where light hydrogen isotopes fuse to create helium, releasing energy in the process. Unlike the fission used in conventional nuclear power plants, fusion promises to produce minimal long-lived waste and eliminates the risk of catastrophic failures. Dr. Eric Fernandez from the Spanish Association of the Science Industry (INUSTR) described fusion as a clean, safe, and almost unlimited source of energy, while also cautioning that considerable technological hurdles remain. One of the most ambitious projects to tackle these challenges is ITER, which aims to demonstrate the industrial viability of magnetic fusion. With contributions from 35 countries and an investment exceeding $22 billion, ITER plans to produce 500 megawatts of energy from just 50 megawatts of input, a feat that would redefine energy production on a global scale. As the project progresses, the role of artificial intelligence and supercomputing is becoming increasingly vital. AI is being employed to predict plasma instabilities, enabling researchers to make real-time adjustments to reactor parameters. Robert Arnault, an ITER spokesperson, noted that this precision is critical for maintaining stability within the reactor, an essential requirement for continuous energy production.
Supercomputers also play a crucial role, allowing simulations of reactions that would otherwise take years of experimentation to validate.
In parallel with these institutional efforts, private sector investment is surging, with startups across the UK, Canada, and the US raising substantial funding to develop more compact and efficient fusion reactors. José Miguel Carmona, fusion manager at the Spanish company AVS, highlighted this shift, stating, "Large infrastructure projects like ITER continue, but the ecosystem is expanding, with companies trying to demonstrate alternative technologies on the shoulders of giants." This infusion of private capital has accelerated timelines, with some experts projecting that the first commercial fusion reactors could be operational by the 2040s. Beyond the technical implications, the potential for nuclear fusion to transform global energy dynamics is profound. As nations strive to reduce carbon emissions and move away from fossil fuels, countries that successfully develop fusion technology may gain considerable geopolitical leverage. Dr. Fernandez succinctly summarized this sentiment: "The merger is a sure promise. It's not a question of faith but of time, talent, and international cooperation." The promise of fusion energy could reshape not only how we power our cities but also the geopolitical landscape itself. In a parallel narrative, China is making headlines with its ambitious nuclear laser initiative, which has been unveiled through satellite imagery depicting a massive facility under construction in Mianyang. This facility, reportedly larger than comparable Western projects, is designed to harness inertial confinement fusion, a process that could revolutionize clean energy generation or serve military interests. The dual-use nature of this technology raises significant concerns about global power dynamics, reminiscent of how technology companies like Meta have reshaped information landscapes. China's progress in fusion technology has been remarkable, with researchers achieving record plasma temperatures in 2021. However, the road to practical fusion energy remains fraught with challenges. The precision required for successful fusion is staggering. A timing error of 1/1,000,000th of a second can derail the entire process. Despite these obstacles, the pace of development in China has raised eyebrows, especially as Western fusion projects grapple with funding constraints. Ultimately, the coming decade is poised to be pivotal for nuclear fusion technology. While optimists highlight the significant advancements and investments being made, skeptics remain cautious, aware of the persistent engineering challenges that have historically kept fusion just out of reach. Whether the world will witness the first practical application of fusion energy remains to be seen, but the potential for a clean, abundant energy source is a tantalizing prospect that could redefine our relationship with energy and reshape global economic and political landscapes.